Yeah, hi everyone. So welcome back to our class, math class of SAT. Uh, we are going to start a new chapter that is LCM and HCF. So let's go to the chapter. I think you all know what is LCM, least common multiple, and HCF is highest common factor. So now look at this question. Find the GCF and LCM of each set of polynomials. So first one, 90. I can write it as 2 into 2 into 45 is 3 into 5 into 3. Whereas you can write 108 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So now you see LCM. For LCM, first he said GCF. So let us find out GCF. Now GCF is what? Greatest common factor. So now we have 1, 2 and 1, 2 here. Take that. First 2's. Next, you have 1, 3 and 1, 3. Take another 3. 5 we have in case of first, but second case we don't have. So leave that 3. Again, you have second 3. So this is greatest common factor. So that is nothing but 18. Now LCM we find out. LCM is what now? First of all, this greatest common factor you take as it is. Now into uh, rest over things. So now we have not taken 5. So we take that 5. Second 2 we did not take that 2. 2 threes we have taken. I'm leaving it. So third 3 we need to take. So this is LCM for this. So 30 into 18. So 540. This is LCM. Or otherwise, the other way of taking LCM is take that numbers 90 and 108. So take 3. So 30, 36. Again 3, 10, 12, 2, 5 and 6. So therefore you can take it as 3 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 6. So that is LCM. So product of numbers is equal to product of LCM and GCM. So 18 into 540. So this product will always be equal to this product. So these are the things that you need to use. Similarly, we should find out for other numbers. So look at this. So 18, 540. So for these things we should check. So if you have noted this, then we'll go for the next one. So please note it. Then we'll check what is the second option. I mean, for the second question, what is the LCM and GCF? So shall I take out this? Yeah. So now second one you take 12a cube, 12a square, b cube, c, and other is 36 a power 5 b square c square. So for this, the common is for between these two, the common number is 12 a square, b square, c is common number. So that is your HCF. So what is LCM? Product of these two into 36 a power 5 b square c square divided by 12 a square b square c. So now this will be equal to what? 12 is gone. So you'll have 36. A square is cancelled. You have a power 5 B square is cancelled, so you'll have B cube into C square. So that is there in option A. These LCM and HCF, whatever we have found out, they are there for option A. So let us look at the third equation, or let us go for the fourth equation. So x minus y is HCF, and x plus y, x minus y into x plus y is HCF, and LCM is x minus y whole square uh, into x plus y whole cube. So option A is satisfying. X minus y into x plus y. If you take it out, this is HCF, HCF, and LCM is, if you x minus y whole square, uh, then x plus y whole cube. So option A satisfies. So let us go for option A for this. This is when three are correct, automatically fourth one should also be correct. So this is HCF, highest common factor. This is LCM. Okay. Right. So let's go to the next question. Yeah, you can see the solution here again. 90 is written as this. 108 is written as this. Smallest powers of 2 is 2 in both, and greatest power of 2 is 2 square. So you take smallest powers and the greatest powers. Again, for 3, you take smallest powers and greatest powers. And for 5, it is not a common factor at all. So the greatest power of 5 is 5 only. So what is HCF or GCF? HCF or GCF, both are same. So you take smallest pass product, and LCM is greatest pass product. So that is the LCM and HCF. Similarly for B and C, which we have already discussed. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Yeah. Look at this question, children. A supermarket has brand A juice smoothie on sale every 7 days and has brand B juice smoothie on sale every 4 days. Within a year of 365 days, means this he is trying to mention that it is non-leap year. This is non-leap year. How many times does the supermarket have both brands of juice smoothie on sale on the same day? So let us now start the solution here. See, LCM of 7 and 4. This is 7 days is for brand A and 4 days is for brand B. So therefore, if you take LCM of 7 and 4, it is 28. So that means every 28 days we can get this in common. That means same day, every 28 days, both the products are available in the supermarket for sale. So we should divide this 365 days by this LCM, the common. Okay. So that is 365 by 28 is giving you 13.035. So option C satisfies. Please note fast. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yeah. Which of the following must be a factor of x? If x is multiple of both 9 and 12. So let us take LCM for that. So 9 and 12 LCM is what? 36. So now you check which of these numbers are multiples of 36. So you have only D, option D. So answer is option D. 36, 72, etc. Whatever numbers are there, which are multiples like 108 and so on. They all are the uh, multiples of both 9 and 12. Okay, children, so let us go to the next question. If n is a positive integer, which one of the following numbers must have a remainder of 3 when divided by any of the numbers 4, 5, and 6? So LCM of 4, 5, and 6 is what? So 15 to 30, 30 to 60. So n is a positive integer. Which one of the following numbers must have a remainder of 3? So that means remainder of 3 means compulsorily this plus 3 should be seen. So to eliminate, there is nothing because everything has plus 3. Then next is because LCM is 60, we should have multiple of 60. So you have 120n in the option D. Therefore, that number, if you divide by any of those, you'll be getting remainder as 3. Okay. So therefore, option is D. Please note it fast. So just see, here we have followed one method. I'm not following this method. I'm following different method. What I'm doing is I'm taking LCM of 4, 5, 6. You got 60. So I'm looking at multiples of 60 and as well n. So only 120 is the multiple of 60 and as well as n. And remainder is 3. That means plus 3 should be there. So therefore option is D directly. So you can also note this method. First you copy that, then we'll go for this. Please note this method also. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Now look at this. The HCF of these numbers 7 by 3, 7 by 9, 2 by 5. So if you look at this, all these numbers are fractions. That means whenever a numerator and a denominator appears, so what we do is if we ask HCF, in numerator you take HCF of the numerators and denominators LCM you should take. Okay. If he says LCM, numerator you should take LCM of all the numerators and HCF of all the denominators. This is how we proceed. So if you look at this, you have 7, 7, 2. So first find out HCF of 7, 7, 2 and LCM of denominators 3, 9, 5. So if you take numerators HCF, it is 1. So there are two options with that, either option B or option D. So for that LCM of 3, 9, 5 you take 3, 1, 3, 5. So 5 3 is 15, 3 is 45. So option is only B. Please note it fast. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. The number 3072 is divisible by 6 and 8. Which one of the following is the first integer larger than 3072 that is also divisible by both 6 and 8? So that means here 3072, the number 3072 is divisible by both 6 and 8. Which of the following first integer larger than 3072? So larger than 3072 means all four options are larger than 3072. So now what we should do is, we should take that extra part between 3072 and 3078. First, let us take option A. 3078 minus 3072 is 6. So is 6 divisible by both 6 and 8? We should check. So no. So option A is wrong. We are eliminating options today. Next, 3084 minus 3072 you take. So this is 12. So this is not divisible by 8. So even this is ruled out. 3086 minus 3072. So this is again you are getting 14, not divisible by both 6 and 8. 3096 minus 3072, that is 24. 24 is divisible by both 6 and 8, therefore option is this. Please note it fast. Quick. Yes, children, let us go to the next question. So look at this. Yeah. If the least common multiple of m and n is 24, LCM of m and n is 24, then what is the first integer larger than 3070 that is divisible by both m and n? That means what? Again, 3072, the difference between the given options and 3070 should be 24, minimum, multiple of 24. If that happens, then that is the answer. So this is not the answer. So ruled out. 7, 8 minus 7, 2. So 7, 8 minus 7, 0, not the answer because you are getting only 8. That should be multiple of 24. 8, 4 minus 72, that is 12, not the answer. 88 minus 72. What is this? So you are getting 16. So none of these we are getting. What is that? He said, let us reread the question. If the least common multiple of m and n is 24, then what is the first integer? Then what is the first integer larger than 3070 that is divisible by both m and n? Uh, Let us take 30. So 3070 may not be divisible by 24. Let us check if it is divisible by 24 or not. So 24 ones 24, 67. 24 twos 48. 67 minus 48 means 9, 1, 19, 190. No, 190 is not divisible by. So 3070 is not divisible by 24. So therefore, uh, this has nothing to do with this. But only thing is above 3070, 3072. So should be divisible by 24 because uh, 6 you take first. So this is 530 ones, twos. Then 4 you take, 5 ones, 4 ones, 4 twos 8, 4 eights 32. Yes. So therefore option is A. Okay. Let us go to the next question. Look at this. The HCF of two numbers is 11. The HCF of two numbers is 11. And their sum is 209. HCF of two numbers is 11. And their sum is 209. So find the number of pairs of numbers that satisfy the given condition. See, HCF of two numbers is 11 means what? So in that, the common factor should be only 11, means they are the multiples of 11. Each of those two numbers are multiples of 11. That is very, very important. And the sum is 209. So if you take 11 common from 209, you take 11 common. So you'll be getting 11 ones 11, 11 nines 99. So you need to take the pairs that satisfy these conditions. So let us take the numbers are 11x and 11y. Okay. So now 11x plus 11y is 209. So as given here, 11x plus 11y is 209. So you take 11 common, x plus y is 209. So x plus y is 19 that we got here. Okay. X plus y equal to 19. So how many such pairs now we can take, whose sum is 19? You see, 118, 217, 316, 415, 514, 613, 712, 811, or 9 and 10. Okay, so X and Y. Otherwise, what will be the next number? 10, 9. It is already there. 9, 10 or 10, 9, it's one and same. Then next 11 and 8, that is already there, 8 and 11. So it doesn't matter whether the order is changed. This is not coordinate system. There are only two numbers. So therefore, here it ends. So how many such pairs are there? There are 9 pairs. So option D satisfies. Quick children. Okay, children. So let us go to the next question. Now look at this. Find a natural number which leaves remainder 6, 8, and 10 when divided by 12, 14, and 16. So clearly, when you look at that number, when you divide that number by 12, so something like this, the remainder should be 6, means 12m plus 6 equal to the number, whatever it is. Next, similarly, when it is divided by 14, your remainder will be 8. And when you divide it by 16, your remainder will be 10. So this is the case. So now look at this. See, that means when you divide that number by 12, you are getting remainder 6. So if you subtract them, you'll be getting 6. Similarly, when you divide it by 14, the remainder will be 8. You subtract it, you'll get 6. Then when you divide it by 16, the remainder is 10. So you subtract that, you'll get answer as 6. So you see here, we have taken this. So 12 minus 6 will give you the value as 0. Okay. So now, if you want, the number, we should take the LCM of 12, 14, 16 and multiplied by a constant minus, because this common remainder is 6. So minus 6. So if you take LCM of 12, 14, 16, it will be 336. Okay. 336k minus 6. Suppose let us assume k is 1 with the given options here. If you take k is 1, you are getting 336 minus 6. So that is 330. So option is option C. Please note it fast. Okay. So let us go to the next question. Okay. So now look at this question. Yeah. if A into B is the greatest common factor of A and B, so these symbols, you need to remember these symbols, okay, is the greatest common factor of A and B, and if this is the symbol, it is least common multiple of A and B, and A in section B is defined as equal to this, what it is given here. So this is involved with the symbols like this. Then what is the value of 12 intersection 5? So according to this, 12 in section 5 is 12 greatest, I mean, we need to take greatest multiple of 12 and 15. Okay. The dollar sign in this, I mean, shows it is LCM of 12. So first let us find out GCF of 12 and 15. So the greatest common multiple between these two is 3. Okay. Next, LCM of 12 and 15 is 3 4 12, 12 5 60. So that means first one for this you are getting it as 3, and this symbol means it is LCM between 60 and 3. So if you take LCM of 3 and 60, it will be equal to 60. So therefore answer is D. So please note it fast, quick. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Yeah. What is the least number which when divided by 15, 18 and 21 leaves remainders 2, 5 and 8 respectively? So similar kind of problem we did few problems away. So now what is that we are getting? So difference between the devices, between the, I mean, the difference between the devices and the respective remainders is same. Now look at this. 15 minus 2 is 18 minus 5, and that is 21 minus 8. Everything is equal to 13. So 15 minus 2, because you see here when that least number which when divided by 15, 18, 21, so there is some number, let us call it as x. Same type of problem we did most probably 2 problems back. So if you take the difference of these two, 15 minus 2, that is 13. 18 minus remainder is 5, so that is 13. So 21 minus 8, that is also 13. So you are getting all the numbers to be 13 only. All the numbers to be 13 only. Okay. So here the common factor HCF for 15, 18, 21 is 3. That's what we have shown. If you have to get LCM, you need to multiply by 3, 5, 6, 7. You need to multiply. Okay. But you have got the difference is common. So LCM of 15, 18, 21 minus 13 will give you the number. Okay, this is what we did in the previous case, isn't it? So whenever you find something like this, you should find out LCM of these three numbers, that is these three numbers, minus this common difference, whatever we got. Common difference we got is 13. So that if you substitute, you'll get the number. So LCM of 15, 18, 21 is 630. Minus that 13 will give you 617. So therefore the number is 617, which is option A. Same problem we did there, children. So please remember the model. This appears to be a new model, which you all might have not tried before. So therefore remember this model. When you divide some number called as x by some numbers, whatever it may be the numbers, you get some remainders. Okay. So therefore, what we'll do is in such cases, whatever number you are dividing, that minus its remainder we take. Like the three sets he gave, so three sets differences we take, you get 13. So this is the number which we should take it as a prominence, which should be subtracted from LCM of all the three uh, numbers, that 15, 18, 21, the divisors, what are they are there. And from that LCM, you subtract this 13, this common difference, what it is there. So that is the method for this type of problem. So please note this. So make it a priority in learning for this type of problem. So let's move to the next question. Yeah, look at this. There are three numbers. The HCF of each pair is 15. There are three numbers. The HCF of each pair is 15, means two numbers you take. And LCM of all the three numbers is 1890. What is the product of the number? So clearly HCF is given as 15 and LCM is given as 1890. So the number is product of HCF into LCM is HCF into LCM. Product of HCF into LCM is product of numbers. So let us call it as A, B, C, whatever it is. So now you should take, he asks what is the product of the numbers. Product of the numbers is nothing but equal to HCF into LCM. That's what we have done in the first case, like in the first formula problem when we did. We wrote this formula. This is very, very important. So you multiply these two numbers and you get the final answer. So what is the multiplication? 28350. So option D satisfies. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. So look at this. What is the least number which when divided by 4, 6, 8 and 9 leaves zero remainder? Leaves zero remainder in each case, but when divided by 13 leaves a remainder 7. Okay, so that means that number, whatever it is there, that is exactly divisible by 4, 6, 8 and 9 because it is leaving a remainder of 0. Okay, but in each case, when divided by 13 leaves a remainder 7. So now look at this. This is again the same type of problem what we have done before, but little deviation he has given. So first of all, let us take the LCM of 4, 6, 8 and 9. 4, 6, 8 and 9 LCM is 72. But when you divide 72 by 13, it leaves a remainder 7. Just check. So you are getting that. That means when 72 is divided by 13, you get answer as 7, remainder as 7. So the required number will be 72. So note it fast, quick. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Find the least number which, when divided by 12, 16, 18, and 30, leaves remainder 4. Again, the same type of problem. So, in each case, but it is completely divisible by 7. So, first let us take the differences of 12 with 4, 16 with 4, 18 with 4, and 30 with 4. So, but before that, LCM of 12, 16, 18, and 20 is 720. Okay. So, this is the LCM pattern that we took. So, this is 720. So, the number should be 720 times some constant plus 4. Same thing what we did. Here we are. You see, when we did first problem, we used this technique. Second problem, we directly did it without taking these things. So now let us see what is that. So checking with values of k is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. 720k plus 4, when it is divisible by 7, its remainder should be 4. Let's look at this question. Okay, leaves a remainder 4 in each of the case, but it is completely divisible by 7, he says. Okay, so now if you put k is 1, 724. So now, what is that he said? This should be divisible by 7, completely divisible by 7. Is it right? Yeah, completely divisible by 7. So let us see if this is divisible by 7 or not. So if you take this 7 ones, 0, then it is not divisible because 7 3 is 21, decimal you'll get. Therefore, it is not divisible for k is 1. So if you proceed like that, k is 2, k is 3, k is 4, for k is 4, you'll be getting it as, this is for k equal to 1. So for k equal to 4, you'll get it as 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 7s 28, plus 4. So this is 2, 8, 8, 4. Now you divide with 7 and see if it is divisible or not. So 7 4s 28, then 8, 7 1 7, 14, 7 2s 14. So it is exactly divisible. Therefore, answer is k. So that means what is that number you are getting? K is 4. This is satisfying the given condition. So now what is the number? 2884. 2884. So this should be in place of C. So answer is C. Okay, note it fast, quick. If you note this, take screenshot of this, I'll go to the next page. Okay, take the screenshot quickly. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Yeah. The LCM and HCF of two positive numbers are 175 and 5. So if the sum of the numbers is 60, it's the same kind of problem we have done just few minutes before. Let us call 175 into 5 is two positive numbers, I said. So it should be product of these. LCM and HCF should be equal to product of those two, x into y. So if the sum of numbers x plus y is 60, he gave. What is the difference between them? So because HCF is 5, every of those numbers should be divisible by 5. So I can take x as 5n and y as 5n. So then HCF is 5. So 5 into m plus n equals 60. So m plus n equal to 12. So now you take the difference between the numbers. What is that he said? What is the difference between them? So look at this. So what all are the numbers, possible numbers now? Uh, so this is xy is 175 into this. So 5m into 5n is 175 into 5. So mn is equal to 3 is 5 is 25. 35 is mn and m plus n is 12. Now what all are the possibilities now? So one is m is 1 plus uh, again the product should be 35. So numbers are, if m is 1, it cannot be uh, 60, I mean 11. So 1 into 11 is not 35. So if m is 1, n we can take it as 35. Okay, that means mn is 35 is satisfied, but m plus n equal to uh, if the sum of the numbers is 60. Okay, so this is not satisfied. If m is 1, n is 35, this is not satisfied. So what is the other possibility now? 7, 5 is 35. And 7 plus 5 is 12. So satisfied. So the number should be 5 and 7. Number should be 5 and 7. Now what is the difference between them? So now, uh, so m and n are 7 and 5. So what should be actual numbers? 5m and 5n. So 7 5, I mean 7 5 is 35, 5 5 is 25. These are the numbers, 35 and 25. Because m and n values we got, but actual numbers are 5m and 5n. So 7 5 is 35, 5 5 is 25. So the difference should be 10. 35 minus 25 is 10, which is option D. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us move to the next question. Yeah. Find the number of pairs of natural numbers with LCM as 56. So we should get them. So, but here he has only given LCM of two numbers as 56. So that means uh, let the numbers, if I take it as A and B, A and B with LCM 56, that means what? Both A and B are divisors of 56. Both A and B are divisors of 56. So what all are the divisors of 56? If you take 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28. These are all the divisors of 56. So if you take 2, 2 at a time, if you take 2, 2 at a time, with LCM as 56, you can get 1, 56, 2, 56, 4, 56, 7, 56, 8, 56, 14, 56, and 28, 56. And at the same time, uh, take the factors. So uh, So now other things like 56, what all are the numbers? Apart from these available numbers, what all are the other pairs you can take? So with this, we have taken 56, so where LCM is 56, we got it. But apart from that, whatever pairs you need to combine. So can you take 1 and 2? No. 1 and 4? No. 1, 7? No. 128? No. 1, 56 already we have written. Okay. Next, starting with 2. 2 comma 28, no, it cannot be, LCM cannot be 56, so only 2 comma 56. So similarly with 4, as 56 is multiple of 4, therefore there cannot be another one with 4. Okay, but after 28 comma 56, then our other search starts. So if you take 8 and 14, these two pairs, so 8 and 4, 8 and 14, so if you take 2, 4 comma 7, 7 4 is 28, 28 is 56, so this pair is accepted. 8 comma 14. Similarly, you take 8 comma 28, so it is also accepted. 7 comma 8, that is also accepted. So how many numbers are there? How many such pairs are there? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 pairs means option C. Please note it, this is a little interesting problem. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. A general can draw up his soldiers in rows of 10, 15, and 18 soldiers. And he can also draw them up in the form of a solid square. What is the least number of soldiers that are there with the general? So the LCM of, first of all, if we take LCM of 10, 15, 18 soldiers, you will get the multiples of some number which the soldiers are there with the general. So if you take LCM of 10, 15, 18, you are getting it as 90. You are getting it as 90. The number of soldiers with him should be multiples of 90. So find the least number of soldiers, he said. So least number of soldiers are only 90 he can have. So option is D. Okay. So the least number of soldiers, what is that? He said, it's a square also, right? So he said it is square also. Find the least number of soldiers with the general, but that multiples of 90, it should be a square, solid square. Means what? 90 if you take the least means the smallest number, but it should be a perfect square. So anyway, A is rejected because it is not multiple of 90. You have possibilities of 90, 900, 3600. So, but 90 is not a perfect square. 900 is 30 square. So therefore, you have the least number of soldiers, which is a square, and as well as multiple of 90 is 900. So therefore, answer is option C. Please note it fast. Okay, let us move to the next question. Yeah, the circumferences of the fore and hind wheels of a carriage are 63 by 14 meters. So 6 4 is 24, 616 84 plus 3 87 by 14. Next, 8 8 is 64, 8 1 is 8 plus 6 144 plus 1 145 by 18. 8 8 is 64, 8 6 1 is 6 plus 6 12 124 plus 3. Sorry, 8 8 6 4 8 1 is 8 plus 6 14 144 plus 1 145 by 18. Yeah. At any given moment, a chalk mark is put on the point of contact of each wheels with the ground. Find the distance traveled by the carriage so that both the chalk marks are again on the ground at the same time. So children, this is very important question. You have numerator and as well as denominator. Okay, you have numerator and as well as denominator. Means you should take LCM of these two numbers. Okay, 87 by 14 and 144, 145 by 18. So whenever he talks about LCM, for numerators we'll take LCM and for denominators we'll take HCF. This already we discussed one problem based on this. So if you take that, LCM of 87 and 145 is 435 and HCF between 14 and 18 is 2. So 435 by 2 is 217.5 meters. So option is B. Yeah. So now let us rewrite it again. LCM of 87 by 14, comma 145 by 18. This is LCM of 87, comma 145 by HCF of 14, comma 18. So LCM of 87 and 45. This is 2 HCF. So this is 10 means 2 times 14, 15, 2 ones 2, 3, 2 to the 4, 435. So LCM of 87 and 145 should be 435 divided by 2. So that is equal to 217.5. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. See, the LCM of two numbers is 28 times their HCF. LCM equal 28 times HCF. Okay. So if sum of their LCM and HCF is 1740. Okay. And one of the numbers, if I call A and B are numbers. So one of the numbers is 240. Find the other number. See, LCM into HCF equal to product of numbers. LCM is 28 times HCF into HCF is 240 times B. 240 times B. Okay. So an LCM plus HCF is, LCM is 28 times HCF. So 28 plus 1 times HCF equal to 1740. So using this equation, I'm getting this. Using this equation, I got this. Okay. So HCF is equal to 1740 divided by 29. Okay. So 29, how many times it should divide 174? So 6 times if you take. it should be 60 times. Most probably it's 60 times because you are getting 4. So 9, 6, 54. So you are getting that. So just check 29 into 6. So this is 6, 9, 6, 54. 6 to 12 plus 5, 17. So got it or not? So you are getting. See how to identify quickly the numbers means this is how. So HCF we know. So now we should find out what is B. So what is it we got here? Um, so B equal to product of LCM and HCF. So 28 into HCF is 60 is LCM into HCF is 60 by the one of the numbers is 240. So this is the thing you'll be getting. So that is equal to, see here the process I have shown. So I'll remove the ink part. So now you can get everything clear here. LCM plus HCF is this. So we'll find out what is HCF here. 29 times HCF is 1740. So HCF is 60. So LCM is 28 into 60 is 1680. So therefore, one number is 240. The other number is HCF into LCM by one number, that is 240. You'll get it as 420. So same, instead of going to the second page, we'll write it at the first page only, children. See, after this I'm continuing. AB equal to LCM into HCF. So given A equal to 240. So 240 B equal to LCM, we got it as 1680 into HCF, we got it as 60. So B equal to 1680 into 60 by 240. So this cancels 4 times. 4 4 16 and that is 420. So B is 420. Please note it fast, quick. Right, children, let us go to the next question. Yeah, find the two largest numbers of 4 digits having 531 as their HCF. HCF is given as 531. So both the numbers should be multiples of 531. So then that should be the case. Again, those two products, like when you divide that, let's say 9231, you divide by 531, you get some X number. And 9762 divided by 531, you should get Y number. There should not be another HCF for that X and Y. HCF of X and Y should be 1. It should be like that. Then we can work on. Okay, largest number of the digits. The largest number of 4 digits is, because we said 4 digits, isn't it? So if you take largest number, it should be 9999. That can be the largest. If you add 1 to it, it becomes a 5-digit number. So therefore, we are seeing 9999. So when you try to divide it by 531, we are getting a remainder of 441. So 441. So you subtract this 441 from 9999. Remainder cannot be there, isn't it? Remainder should be 0. So this is 8, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 4, 5, and 9. 9558 is one of the numbers. So now as HCF should be 531, so another number that should be there near to this is again minus 531. So it should be 9, this is over. After that again you subtract 531 from that, you will get 9027. This is very important, okay? So the numbers, ordered pair should be what? 9027 and 9558, okay? So that is what you need to do. And 9558 minus 531 you take. So you'll be getting 7209. So this is the thing. Okay, please note it, children. Okay, children. Let us go to the next question now. Now it is percentages. Yeah. What percentage of 25 is 5? What means X. Percentage of 25, 25 by 100 equal to 5. So X is 5 into 4. So that is 20. So 20%. So the words itself will give us the meaning. What means unknown, X. Percentage of means multiplication. 25 means 25 percentage, isn't it? So 25 by 100 equal to is means equal to 5. So this is the language, mathematical language. So answer is 20 percentage. Please note it fast. You see again the same thing what I did here. We are putting in tabular form here. What means X. Percentage means 1 by 100. Of means multiplication. 25. Is means equal to 5. Same thing whatever we did here, we have put it in the tabular form here. So X into 1 by 100 into 25 is 5. So that will get it as 20. Okay. That's what we have written. Clear, children? So now let us go to the next question. 2 is means 2 is means equal to 10 percentage of what number means X. So X equal to what? 20. So look at the same in the tabular form. 2 equal to 10 percentage means 10 by 100. Of means multiplication. Unknown is X. Same we are following or not. So this is how you need to identify and work out the process. This language, if you understand, things become very simple. Instead of searching and waiting and getting confused, instead of that, it is very simple process. Okay, go for this. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, look at this. If there are 15 boys and 25 girls in a class, what percentage, what means X, percentage of means multiplication. That X and this gets cancelled, so dot will put. What percentage of the class of boys, what percentage of the class is boys? So what percentage means by 100. Total number of students is 15, boys is 15. Okay. What percent of the class means 40 equal to boys 15. Okay. So now X equal to 15 into 5 by 2. Okay, 15 into 5 by 2, 75 by 2, that is approximately 37.5 percentage. Okay, like this. Okay, this is what. So we have already written it on the page 1. So just leave it like this. See, what means X. Percentage means by 100. Of multiplication. The class means 40. Total number of students of the class is 40. Is boys means equal to. Boys are 15. So from here you should find out X. You can understand this mathematical language of this question being asked, that is finished. You are finishing the solution. Okay. What means X. Percentage means by 100. Of multiplication. Class 40. Is means equal to. Boys 15. Like that. Let's go to this. The population of a town was 12,000 in 1980 and 16,000 in 1990. So increase is what? 16,000 minus 12,000. That is 4,000. Okay, that is the increase in population in 10 years of time. What percentage, what means X, was the percentage increase in the population of the town during this period? So what means X, percentage increase means 100 increase of population is 4,000. Is the, I mean, what percentage increase? That means here, children, there is a small change will bring. So percentage means what? Increase in population or change in population by original amount into 100. This is the formula. Change means, you see, denominator. See, here we will not use that mathematical language what we have done. We will change a little bit. Okay. So now percentage change is, remember this formula. Change in amount by original amount by 100%. So what is change in the population? 16,000 minus 12,000. Okay, that is 4,000. Okay. So now change in amount means we got 4,000. Original amount is 12,000 into 100. So that is 100 by 3. So 100 by 3 is 33 point, 33 1 by 3 percentage. So this should be option A. Okay. So please note it fast. So we'll put the same thing here. Amount of change is 4,000 by original amount. Original amount is this 12,000 into 100. That is 33 1 by 3 percentage. So option A. Please note it fast, quick. So let us go to the next question. Yeah. Craig spent $25, which is 15% of his monthly wage. What is his monthly wage? Let monthly wage be monthly wage be X. Okay. So Craig spent $25, which is 15% of his monthly wage. 15% means by 100, of means multiplication. His monthly wage is X is $25. So X equal to 25 into 100 by 3. 15, sorry, not 3. So this is 500 by 3. So 3 ones 3, 3 6, 18, 3 6, 18. So left out is 2 by 3. Okay. So that is his wage. So not percentage, but wage, total wage. So option is B. Anyway, this tabular form again, we'll go to the next page. So I've already shown it here. So here we use same mathematical language only because previous case a change has come. You'll get denominated the original value. Therefore, we have changed the method. Mathematical language we did not use as it is. We have used one new formula that we have derived. Okay. So please go ahead. Copy it. We'll go to the next question. So let's go to the next question now. Yeah. Now P equal to 5Q, which is greater than 0. So both P and Q are greater than zeros. Then 40% of 3P equals 40% by 100 of means multiplication. 3P equals to what? Okay. So what are the options he gave? 6Q, 5.25Q and so on. But what is P 5Q? So this is 2 by 5 into 3 into 5Q. So that is equal to 5 gets cancelled, that is equal to 6Q. So you have option A. Quick. Okay, let's go to the next question. A jar contains 24 blue balls and 40 red balls. Which one of the following is 50% of the blue balls? So look at this. So now 10, 11, 12, 13 are the answers that are given. Okay. So what is that blue balls percentage? If you take, see, 50 percentage by 100 of multiplication, blue balls 24. So if you look at that, 24 into 50 by 100. So that is equal to what? 12. So you have option C. It is like this, children. A jar contains 24 blue balls and 40 red balls. So what means you can take it as X. Which one of the following means answers here? X percentage of blue balls is 50 percentage of blue balls. So that means if you take this here, that means you'll be getting it as 50 into 24 by 100. Okay. So this is already shown here. So 50 percentage of blue balls, 50 by 100 is 50 percentage of means into blue balls is 24. That is X. Let's go to the next question. In a company with 180 employees, 108 of employees are female. What percentage of employees are male? See, how many male employees you have? Male equal to 180 minus 108. So this is 272 are male employees. So now, what percent of employees are male, he says. So, if you, this is the thing. So number of male employees is 72. That divided by total number of employees into 100. So, you'll be getting it as male employees are 72. So 72, it's like this. We'll go like this. Instead of this process, we'll follow another process. So it is like this. Male employees by total number of employees into 100 equal to percentage. Okay. So now male employees is what? 72 by total number of employees are 180 of 100. So what is this equal to? You'll be getting it as 0, cancel 0. This is 5 and this is 9. 9, 8, 72. So 8 into 5. So that is 40 percentage. So option B. So instead of this mathematical language, I'm using general language. Male employees by total number of employees into 100 will give you percentage of male. Okay. Please go it fast, quick. So let's go to the next question. Jim brought a shirt, a pant, a pair of pants, and a pair of shoes, which costs $10, $20, and $30. What percentage of total expenses was spent on the pants? So, what is the cost of shirt? Shirt is 10, pair of pants is 20, and shoe is 30. Okay. So pants amount by total amount into 100 will give you the, percentage. So now if you look at this, 10 plus 20 plus 30 is $60. So now you need to take pants, 20 by 16 to 100. So you need to take 20 by 16 to 100. So that is X equal to 20 by 60 into 100. So this is nothing but equal to 33 1 by 3 percentage. Okay. Instead of all this language, trying to do the language, we go for this. It's very simple. Pants cost by total cost into 100. So that is 20 by 60 into 100. That is 100 by 3. That is 33, 1 by 3 percentage. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Last year, John was 5 feet tall, and this year she's 5 feet 6 inches. What percentage of increase is her height? So same problem we have done, increase by original into 100. Okay, so now if you look at this, increase is 6 inches, means 6 by 12 feet. By original is 5, is 100. That is 20 times, 5 cancels 20 times, and this is half, so 10 percentage. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, children. Increase by original into 100. Increase is 6 inches. 6 inches is 6 by 12 feet by 5 into 100. Original height is 5 feet. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Yeah. Last month, a price of a particular pen was $1.20. This month, the price of same pen is $1.50. What percentage? Same type of problem where we'll take increase by original into 100. So that is homework. A town has population growth rate of 10 percentage, means increase by original into 100 is 10 percentage we give. So now population in 1990 was 2000. What is the population in 1992? So increase is what? Let's say 1992 population is X. So X minus 2000 by 2000 into 100 equal to 10. So can't we find out X from here? So X equal to 2000 plus 100 cancel this 20 times. 20 into 10 is 200. So this is 2200. Okay. This is how you work it. So same formula. There is no new formula used. Same formula. Whatever you have done before is used now. Let us go to the next question. So in September, Mary was able to type 30 words per minute. In September, Mary was able to type 30 words per minute. In October, she was able to type 42 words per minute. By what percentage did Mary's speed increase from September to October? See, in September, Mary was able to type 30 words per minute. In October, she was able to type 42 words per minute. By what percentage did Mary increase the speed? So simple question, a simple solution. Increase in typing speed by original speed into 100. So simple. So homework. Let's not try that now. So now look at this. The length of rectangle was increased by R percent, and the width was decreased by 20%. If the area of rectangle was increased by 4%, what is the value of R? So simple, children. So increase in area by original area into 100. Okay, this is the thing. So we know all the parameters you need to work out. Length of rectangle is increased by R percentage. Okay, R percentage means what? It is original length and its width decreases by 20%. So if the area is increased by 4%, means this is 4 we gave. Length into breadth, length 2 into breadth 2 minus length 1 into breadth 1 by original is L1 B1 into 100 equal to 4 he gave. So now length is increased by R percentage. So if I call length is X, original length is X, L2 is X plus R by 100 times X. into breadth 2. So it is decreased by 20%. If I call breadth as y, y minus 20 means 1 by 5, y by 5. Okay, by L1 B1. So L1 B1 is what? XY, right children? By XY into 100 equal to 4. So anyway, this as it is covering the original solution, so I'll remove this ink part and I'll show you what we have prepared for you. So now length of the rectangle was increased by 30%. Okay. Choice C if you take, means with options, because if you have observed, there were two variables x and y we brought, but we had only one equation. To solve and find two variables with one equation, it's not possible, so we are going with ABCD options. So if you take C option, you are getting answer as 4%. So answer is C. Verify with options. Okay, right children? So let's go to the next question quickly. So if x is greater than 0, then 4% of 7% of 5x equals to what percentage of x? If x is greater than 0, now look at this. If I assume this x as 100, if I assume this x as 100, 7% of 5x is 7. Okay. So 7% means 7 by 100, of means 5 into x is 100 we have taken, equal to 7% of 5x is 7% of 500. Is 7% means 7 by 100 of 500. So 7 5 is 35. Okay. So 4% of 7% of 5x means 4 by 100 into 35. That is 1.4. So you have option A. Okay. Okay, children, with this we close your today's session. We'll continue in the next class with the next proceedings. Thank you and have a great day. God bless you all.